Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can sync folders and files between Legit My Drive and Google Drive. So for this we have to go to here in My Drive section, then in user folders which are under My Folders. Here it will list all the folders created by that user in their account. It will list all of the folders here. Then here on three dot we will get option to sync with Google Drive. Once we click on sync with Google Drive, it will authenticate us with Drive and map the data between my folders and Google Drive folders. So for this, from Legit, I am picking this finance folder. In that, I am having a subfolder with name finance L1.1. Similarly, on my drive on Google and I have created a folder with name finance. Inside that, I am having a subfolder with name finance L1.2 and a PDF document with name contract for software development. So once I will sync between Legit Drive and Google Drive, the data will be same on both the ends. So let me initiate the sync process for it. So first I have to click here on sync with Google Drive for that folder. So once I click on it, it will ask me to authenticate with my Google account. Once I authenticate with it, it will ask me to provide the permissions to perform operation on Google's end. The permissions required are to see the files or folders available on Google Drive, along with option to create and update the existing files and also to delete the files on drive, and we can perform these operations from our application. So once user allow all these permissions, it will take us back to Legit's application, and there we will get the option to select a folder from Google Drive with which we want to sync our this folder. So let me select here finance folder from Google Drive. So once I select any folder, if I want to sync it with any subfolder from Google Drive, I can simply go inside any folder and it will list me the subfolders available inside that. I can select from that also. For now, I am picking up the finance folder from Google Drive. So once I will select this folder, it will initiate the sync and the bidirectional sync, and it will create the folder on Google Drive. Let me open the Google Drive. So as we can see, it had created folder with name finance L.1.1, which is just created right now after I have initiated the sync. Similarly, on Legit's end, if I go inside finance folder, here it's showing me finance L1.1, which is already existing here. Then from drive, it fetched finance L1.2 and this document with the name contract for software development. So the data from both ends are similar or same.